Here at Lowe's in Wise. Look at them pretty mountains today. You see them? We're gonna get some black cow for $6.48 a bag, 1 cubic feet. Okay, it says the cubic feet is $2.48 a bag, and that's this right here. And I think we're gonna get at least 12 bags. Here's what we got. That's what it looks like. We got 12 bags of topsoil and 2 bags of cow manure. Let's go and see how much it costs us. Here's their things of roses. Ain't they beautiful? Look at the yellow roses. Ain't they pretty? We're going in the tree section right now. Look at the turtles. Here's more trees. We got these at the house. This, we got one. We did have 2, but it died. These are 2 for $15. Here's some pretty flowers. They're all different colors. Hanging baskets are. These are pretty. Look at the ferns. Ones. Oh God, I love them. Them big ones in there. 21, Ronnie.
That's for 12 foot.
This is for 12 foot. Yeah, I see. Okay, where would be the 8? Oh. And how much are they? $19. Well. 4x4 posts. We need at least 4 of them. At least 8 probably. I don't know. 1x3s that we need. For 2x2s we might need.